Today, let's cook crispy whole fried chicken. Ingredients: whole chicken, cut like a butterfly, break bones like a chiropractor. Realize the chicken is whole because he off its broken wings. Fish sauce, garlic powder and ground pepper, Thai massage like an RMT. Flip chicken and do the same on the other side. Rub and massage. Marinate for at least an hour. Prepare the batter: flour, cornstarch, baking powder. Sift like a madman. Salt, paprika, medium egg, water from Saugeen River. Mix until consistency is reached. Dump chicken like Michael Jordan. Coat well. Chopsticks test. Deep fry for 8 to 10 minutes each side. Flip it over. Remove from oil and place on a wire rack, which you don't have. To drain excess oil, paper towel will do the trick. Make small cuts though. Make sure it will cook properly. Fry again for another 8 minutes or until chicken is golden brown. Crispiness test. Hungry kiddos test.
Good.
Just to show you the before and after.